Well, and I need to know the truth. Whenever I post things, people either really connect with it and they're like, wow, that's awesome. Like, thank you for posting, whatever. And then there's like these other people that message me and they're like, are you okay? Like, you must really be going through it. And it's like,
oh no! Oh no, dude, it sounds like a bunch of noises.
Come with me, and you'll be in a world of pure infatuation. A look as you see into your imagination. We'll begin with the spin, traveling from dream to
Really want it? Or do you just want it without doing the work? Do you love the process? Or are you only after the results? And if you haven't taken action yet, when will it be important enough to start?
hello. Good morning. This couch is wet. This video is a reminder. A reminder to your future self. Especially when you are in a state of beginnings and in a state of clearing space. There are ideas and things that you want to do that your limiting beliefs are not allowing you to either move forward or have the confidence or get the clear insight as to what steps need to be taken in that direction. But there are synchronicities and clear signs right now on your path that are guiding you, regardless if it looks like they're connected or not to the big picture or to the thing that you want to overcome or that you want to set into motion. There are things and there is guidance right where you're at. And to constantly remind yourself and follow your path. To constantly trust that you are guided. I know, and you know, there is a big, big future ahead of you. But right now, it's like it's a cleaning up stage. And I believe that this is probably the hardest stage. This crow is laughing at me. But I'm making this video to remind myself, to speak to myself from a higher perspective, from the future, that you got this. Follow the breadcrumbs until the steps get bigger and clear. Right now, it just feels really, really narrow, but trust that you are guided. Trust that you are on your way to that thing. Whew. Trust your intuition. Don't give up now. say to yourself, I will clean this up. Not by physically doing anything, but only just believing that I will clean up, that I will show up, that it is coming to me. And all that I am required to do is just follow the little notions, the little taps on the shoulder, the little things that I can do. Even though my mind sees like this outcome or the result that I want, I am to fall in love with the process of this and to trust myself that I will get everything that I want. I don't need to rush. I don't need to prepare myself. I don't even need to do anything. Only this, to remind myself that I am on my way and that in each step I am guided and it's leading me towards the thing. In that moment that the blockage and the limiting beliefs and whatever needs to be removed will remove itself. I trust my path and I trust where I'm going. And I'm already there. It's just groundwork, baby. It's just groundwork. It is yours. Claim it and remind yourself daily. Remind yourself daily. It's done. It's done. Follow the breadcrumbs. It's done. Have confidence, have faith. It's already yours. You don't need to figure it out anymore. The only thing you need to focus on is this present moment. Enjoy the process and prepare to be amazed. Have a great day.